Time to open up a package. Ashland, Pennsylvania. I believe that's right next to Centralia. I'm pretty sure we were in Ashland, Pennsylvania in 23 on our road trip. In any case. Wow, look at this thing. It's awesome. So it's got like living quarters essentially in the front here. Skylight, and the whole thing's basically skylight. The Dodge truck has a horse on the actual door of the cab. And then we have a stamped license plate up front. No side view mirrors, unfortunately, but I do love the trumpets up top. And this thing's in rough shape, but I mean, it's pretty cool. This would be a Super King, I believe. Yeah, so Dodge tractor made in England, and then we have articulated horse van, also made in England, also 1971. This thing is cool. The fact that it has doors on both sides, all the little details, it's awesome. Love it. Ascot Stables.